eBay. Is it? Hey, how you doing? What do you got done to this thing?
It's just stock block N54 swap V30 on 8 PSI eBay turbo kit. Not really a turbo kit because I kind of pieced it together, but it is an eBay turbo.
Fuck yeah, send it.
370.
Can't argue with that. Did you get it dynoed?
Yeah, no, that's just what the tuner says. This is tuned by a guy in Russia.
Okay. Sweet.
It'll make some noise out here. Hopefully I can drift good though.
Excellent. Yeah, you'll be all right. Skeets. So we got this car running. He's got an issue in the harness back here. When you flex it, it starts firing on this side because it was misfiring on the entire bank. But yeah, he's gonna go out and send it. It's Justin, everybody. High five. Where's my helmet at? In the truck? I'm gonna get down there and bring the helmet. Start jumping in people's cars.
Yeah, I think maybe that's right.
Go have some fun. Go have some fun, Justin. Fucking fish life. Take two. How did it feel on the drive out? Good?
Yeah.
Excellent. Fingers crossed.
You wanna know what I'm worried about?
It's this side's clockwise, that side's counterclockwise. Alright, cool.
Got you. Hi, everybody. Hey. Hey. Hi. Send it. There we go. Yeah, he's got a big this turn and getting into that turn first. Obviously this way has more consequences. So just throw it in just like you were, more throttle earlier to get the wheel speed up, and then maintain a higher wheel speed for it, and it'll allow you to connect the two turns. All right? Go for it.
cone duty. Oh my goodness.
You have fun?
My adrenaline is like crazy right now.
Dude, it felt fucking great. You weren't even revving the thing. You need to definitely do third on the next one.
Yeah, I feel like I just ran a mile. So out of breath.
Good job. Well, I'm gonna hop out and jump in another car, dude.
Cool, man.
I've gotten it up to like 250, 260.
Really?
Yeah.
And it didn't blow?
Well, it was a built motor, so
Oh, well.
you don't want to do that a lot.
Yeah.
Hey man, this thing feels fucking great.
Thanks.
Third will definitely be where it's at.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, good job.
Yeah, thank you.
But like while the tires are spinning, you'll have more grip. Like you'll be able to go fast. You'll be able to go faster. Ooh, he got close to the wall. You'll be able to go faster with more toe in, and you'll get more grip out of the rear. So you'll be able to throw more angle into it too.
Oh, okay.
It won't spin. It won't want to spin as easily under when you're giving it gas.
When I'm giving it gas.
Yeah.
All right.
Good shit. That was fun. That seat needs to be a little lower though. I feel like my head's hitting the roof.
Yours? Yeah, I had someone get into it slightly taller and they had to get out because they couldn't.
It's too high.
This one sits too low for me.
Yeah.
Because I actually just made my own.
Yeah.
And it's like too low. So I feel like when I pull the e-brake,
Maybe
I'm like,
switch them.
going like, yeah.
Switch the brackets between the passenger and the driver. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Hey, fucking Alex is here. What's up, brah? You're a little late, homie.
I know, we put a brake line on the way here on the truck.
Oh, nice.
So,
Gotta send it. I drove from here all the way home with the broken brake line.
it sucks.
Yeah, because I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
I was using the trailer brakes
Yeah, I'm not
and
doing
downshifting and
Thank God it happened one exit away from AutoZone.
there you go.
We just drifted in the parking lot.
There you go.
What's
Was
up,
it a
man?
front
How
or
you
a
doing,
rear?
man?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. How's your car run?
Pretty good.
Well-
We had like an issue earlier where the whole driver's side bank wasn't like sparking. Like there was no spark. And it's something in the harness. We just zip tied the harness to like the firewall and it, yeah.
Them Mega Squirt 3 harnesses, yo.
Yeah. Yes, man.
Scale of 1 to 10. Yo, am I on your live and you're on my live?
I don't do live. This is for YouTube. You'll be
you
on
should
there.
go live though.
Oh, man, everybody's
Come on, you
live,
gotta get brave and go live.
No, man. The quality sucks.
The quality. Who cares? It's live though. People want to see what actually happened. They like to see the fuck ups.
Yeah.
They like to see you say stupid shit. They
Yeah.
like to see all that.
Well,
Scale of 1 to 10, what?
Scale of 1 to 10. How good's the event?
How good is the event? So far, I'm disappointed in myself for fucking up on little stuff. But I'm working out the kinks. I just haven't been in the car in a while, you know?
Chelsea's real technical, huh?
Yeah,
Lot
he's
of
definitely like, he's strict and actually wants to like realize where you're fucking up and make you do better because of it.
Yeah, like he's actually pushing you to really get those little things out.
Yeah.
You didn't know he set up that many different suspension setups in Formula D, did you?
No, no idea.
Yeah, that's
I was
awesome.
really impressed just walking through and talking about like the reason he set up the layout the way he did over there. Like really, like that lets you know how much he really knows and how much like
Thank you.
how much I
appreciate
don't
it.
So
really.
his
I feel like
answer
we're on
is
NBC
10.
Sports now.
So his answer to your question is 10.